This is my new CHARMYI t-shirt dress. So this is a super cute casual summer dress, but I feel like you could potentially wear this all seasons. If you layer it up right or throw some boots with it, you could definitely wear this during the fall as well. But for summertime, I definitely see myself pairing this with a little hat or a little boho fringe purse, especially because I've done it in this brown color. It really is giving me the vintagey vibes. However, it does come in a ton of other colors, but the dress itself is just so comfy and stretchy. 65% cotton, 35% polyester. Just really cute, form-fitting, but just comfy. It almost feels like pajamas against your skin. So much stress. And I love that you could both dress this up or dress it down on those days when you don't want to come up with an outfit. This really takes the work out of figuring out a top and bottom. You are complete as soon as you throw it on. Good for spring, summer, fall, potentially winter if you have a warm enough winter jacket. Check it out.